everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome to another video tutorial. Today is our second video using our card candy from our team meeting. So I'm excited to share this one. These are both using Flowering Rain Boots, and even though they did not even talk to each other, they use similar colors. Now this one has two sides. And this one's from Catherine Allenbaugh, and this is from Kathy Weston. And I love card candy. I'm not kidding. And when we first announced this swap for our team meeting, most people were a little leery. So I did a video on how to do the card candy. We ended up having 12 sets of card candy, so I was super excited about it. And it stretched everybody outside the comfort zone, but now we have a card candy to make cards. We could probably make, I don't know, 24 to 36 cards with all the pieces that we received. So we're just going to do simple cards. I don't have to stamp anything. We already have sentiments and images. So let's get started. All right, let's start with this one. This is from Kathy. We're going to open it up. So if you didn't watch my other video, card candy, she's got it closed here. Let me find the closure. Card candy are just elements that you can make to put on your card. So you can use your scraps. If you're making cards, you have some scraps left over, go ahead and finish them up into little pieces like this. Then they're ready to just pop on a card when you need something quick. All right. I'm going to use this one in my first card. Very quick and easy card. I have a half sheet of thick basic white cardstock. All right, and then I took a piece of 4 by 5 1/4 of Highland Heather. I have this big scrap of the stripe from the Valentine one. I can't remember the name of it. I'm not even measuring. How wide is this? 3 1/4 about. I'm going to cut it to 5 1/4 length. We're just using scraps. The name of the game is Quick Cards using card candy. I have a piece left on from my last one. Okay, let's just adhere this right across the center. We're going to do this one going landscape. Okay, and then I wanted to use, this is a little smaller element, so I thought I would use some of my favorite Highland Heather Grosgrain ribbon from the annual catalog. I love this one because it's sparkly. All right, let's see if I can adhere that to the back of this. Straight. Just want it to go across the middle. We are on our stamping cruise today. I've been very excited about this. I pre-recorded this, so just think of this. Today is Monday, so we should be in Cozumel. Wait, nope, today is our stamping day, Stamping at Sea Day. So think of us, we're gonna be stamping. We'll be thinking about you. Okay, I'm gonna peel off. I think I'm going to add just a couple of dimensionals because I don't want it to stick to the ribbon. I want it above and below the ribbon. I try not to stick anything actually to the ribbon because then sometimes it can flop around a little bit. You know what? I think I'm gonna put it over to the side. I think that looks cuter. Isn't that sweet? So quick and easy. I'm done. That's it. Boom. Bloom. Okay, and look at all these great elements I can still use on other cards. That's 4 more cards, or 3 more cards right there. Okay, now let's use Catherine's. Catherine had nice big elements. So she put 2 on the front, 2 on the back. Which one? I think I might use this one. And she's put hers on some of our, the backing for the designer paper, some of that heavy cardstock. So I'm going to, now I did prep just a couple card bases. So I have another half sheet, the other half of my thick basic white. And I think I'm gonna go landscape or portrait style. And then I took another piece of, what's this called? I don't think I want to glue that down yet. I might want to put ribbon on it. Highland Heather, but I did run this one through the embossing, the brick wall embossing folder. Is it brick wall or I can't remember. So I'm going to peel hers off. This came off real easily. This has already got designer paper. Although I think I might want to add, I did take out my ribbon. I feel like I want to add a little bit of ribbon to this one. I don't know why, I just do. This is some real red. I think this is in the annual catalog. I always have to have a good stock of red ribbon. All right, let's see if we can tie this in a little bow here. It's not a very neat bow. I think it'll be okay. I'll scooch this down just a little bit. Is it over enough to stick onto our card front? I think so. We'll see if we can slide it over just a little. All right. Let's adhere this down. Put a little bit there just to hold it in place. All right, now we're ready. Cute. I love Highland Heather. We went for a while without a good purple, and now we have this one. So I am loving this. All right, 2 quick cards using our Flowering Rain Boots card candy. I have enough for 6 more cards. I'm super excited about this. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this. Make sure to click the link below to my blog. I'll have measurements, supplies, etc., etc. And make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss out on our next few videos using some of the other gorgeous card candy from our team meeting. All right, thanks everybody. Bye-bye.